today's video is going to be about your sugar push, all right, or the kind of a starter step, if you will, and a basic 6 count. So we're going to go right into it. We're going to take a 2-hand hold or closed position. We're going to show you both, okay? So let's say we just go up in a closed position, kind of like a starter step, and we're going to count it out. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Let's take it from this angle. Closed position, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Nice. And again, the 3 and 4, these triples are a little subtle because it doesn't take a lot, okay? So, from here, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Nicely done. Let's give the lady the footwork behind. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Nice. Now we're going to do an open position a little bit. It's going to be kind of the same thing, but you're going to see how this kind of has that accordion look. A little bit more coming in for the lady and a little bit for the guy. Again, for more instruction on that, you have to go back to your private lesson style videos.
Yes,
cool?
definitely.
Yes, okay. So 2-hand or single-handed, it does not matter. We're going to show you both, okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Remember, there's no pushing and pulling or resisting on this. It's all reaction, all right? Let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Cool. You can't see a whole lot from there for the ladies, but guys, you can see what I'm doing. I'm not doing much of anything different on that, from the closed to the open, but it's good to know that you can repeat that. All right? So, from here, we're going to just drop the hand just to show that you can start off from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And notice we just present our hand, she comes back in, we take it and release it again. Cool? All right. So let's do it from this angle for the ladies' footwork again. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Excellent. Okay. Again, for more detail on that, go to your private lesson style videos, and we'll be right back with your next video.